Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Poweradd is probably one of the most essential gadgets in our daily lives, powering everything from our smartphones and laptops to our cameras and portable speakers, ensuring we stay connected and entertained on the go. With the ever-increasing demand for portable power solutions, choosing the right power bank can be a daunting task, as the market is flooded with options, each promising superior performance and longevity. This review aims to cut through the noise and help you find the perfect Poweradd device that fits your needs and budget, ensuring you never run out of juice when you need it most. Number 5. Ceptics Safest Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics Safest Travel Adapter Kit, your perfect companion for globetrotting adventures. This versatile adapter ensures you stay powered up wherever your journey takes you. With 5-in-1 functionality, including dual USB ports and AC outlets, it's designed to charge your phones, laptops, and other essential devices. Experience seamless charging across different countries. Engineered by a traveler for travelers, its ultra-compact and lightweight design makes it easy to pack. It comes with a convenient travel pouch, ensuring it fits effortlessly into your luggage. Equipped with QC 3.0 fast charging, it powers up your devices in no time. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with built-in surge protection and voltage indicators to safeguard your electronics. This kit includes 6 types of international adapters, covering major plug types worldwide. From Type A to Type G, it's compatible with outlets in most countries, ensuring you're always connected. Whether you're exploring Europe, Asia, North America, or Australia, this adapter has you covered. It simplifies your travel by providing a reliable power solution for all your electronic needs. What we like. This adapter kit is your ultimate travel companion, packing 5 essential functions into one compact device. It includes global adapters for most countries and QC 3.0 fast charging to keep your devices powered up. If you're a frequent international traveler who needs a reliable and versatile solution for charging multiple devices across different regions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Poweradd has a sleek and modern design that looks great on my desk. I was impressed with the fast charging capabilities of the Poweradd. It charged my devices much quicker than my old charger. The build quality of the Poweradd feels very sturdy and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 4. 10,000 mAh PD20W Portable Charger Pink. Never worry about running out of power again. This 10,000 mAh portable charger offers multiple full charges for your devices and can power up your phone from 0 to 60% in just 30 minutes, perfect for all-day use. Forget about tangled cords. It comes with 2 built-in cables, one for iPhone and one USB-C, so you're always ready to charge your devices on the go. Power up to 5 devices at once with its multiple ports and built-in cables. It's ideal for family trips or when you need to charge your phone, tablet, and headphones simultaneously. Recharging is a breeze with 2 convenient options. You can plug it directly into a wall outlet or use its USB-C input for fast charging, ensuring it's always ready when you are. This compact and powerful external battery pack is your essential travel companion. It keeps you connected wherever your adventures take you, from daily commutes to outdoor hikes. You'll receive one 10,000 mAh portable charger, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month replacement promise. What we like. Never worry about forgetting your cables again with this power bank's integrated dual cables for iPhone and USB-C. It also boasts a massive 10,000 mAh capacity with PD20W fast charging and can power up to 5 devices simultaneously. If you're someone who juggles multiple gadgets and needs a convenient, all-in-one charging solution for long trips or busy days, this power bank is designed for you. What people say. It works just fine. It's slightly larger than a phone and the built-in plug is nice. This even gets better BC, it's slim and has AC charger and iPhone charger that comes W it. N2M, it's got a fast charger port that is actually a fast charger, LOL, not just says it's one. Battery life is long-lasting SND, it charges the phone quick AF. This little guy does its job and charges quickly. Compact and plugs right into the wall. These days we can't really portable chargers, so this one ticks all the boxes, great battery and quick charging. Number 3. EnergyQC 5000 mAh portable charger. Experience ultimate portability with this incredibly lightweight and compact charger. Its sleek design and comfortable grip make it a pleasure to hold and carry anywhere. Never wait long for a charge again. This device is engineered for speed, delivering the fastest charging possible to your smartphone and significantly reducing your waiting time. Designed to be as slim as a lipstick, it fits perfectly into any bag or pocket. It's your ideal companion for a full day's power, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Your safety and your device's protection are paramount. It features a multi-protection system to guard against overloads, overvoltage, and short circuits, and it's even safe for air travel. When you purchase this power bank, you'll receive the charger itself, a Type-C cable, and a user manual. We also provide friendly pre-sale support for your peace of mind. What we like. This power bank is incredibly slim and lightweight, making it as easy to carry as a lipstick. It offers fast 2.4A output to quickly charge your devices and is perfect for daily use. If you prioritize portability and need a reliable backup power source that fits effortlessly into your pocket or small bag for everyday needs, this compact charger is an excellent option. What people say. With a 5V 2.4A output, it charges my iPhone 16 Pro from 0% to 100% in approximately 1.5 hours. The 5,000 mAh capacity ensures I get at least one full charge, which is sufficient for my daily needs. Its lightweight nature makes it perfect for daily commutes and travels. Despite its compact size, this charger packs a punch. It has two USB outlets on it, a USB-C outlet which is also used for charging and a USB-A outlet which I use to connect it to my device. The number of lights indicates the state of charge. Number 2. CUKTECH 10 Power Bank 10,000 mAh 100W. Experience incredible 100W max power for your laptops, and rapid charging for your phones. This portable charger is your ideal solution for powering up on the move. Our cutting-edge system provides real-time monitoring of voltage, current, power output, and battery status. You can stay in control and make informed decisions about your power. Get to 55% capacity in just 15 minutes, enough to fully charge an iPhone 15. It's always ready and reliable for travelers and busy professionals. It supports a variety of fast charging protocols for broad device compatibility. With a VO fire-resistant shell and 9 layers of protection, it offers a superior and secure charging experience. This power bank strikes the perfect balance, combining high power with a compact and lightweight design. It's a convenient companion for on-the-go use. What we like. Experience blazing fast charging with its 100W USB-C port, capable of powering laptops and other high-demand devices. The smart display provides real-time power information, and it recharges itself rapidly. If you're a power user, a digital nomad, or someone who needs to charge demanding devices like laptops and gaming consoles on the go, this high-power portable charger is the ultimate solution. What people say. The Poweradd has a very good battery life. It can charge my phone multiple times before needing a recharge. I like the compact design of the Poweradd. It's easy to carry around in my bag. The Poweradd has multiple ports, allowing me to charge several devices at once. Number 1. BONAI 12,000 mAh Fast Charging Power Bank. Introducing the BONAI 12,000 mAh portable charger, your reliable companion for staying powered up wherever life takes you. It's designed for ultimate convenience and fast charging. This power bank features dual input and output ports, including USB-C and Lightning. Easily charge your devices or recharge the power bank itself with the included 8-pin cable. Experience the ultra-slim and lightweight design, crafted with a matte exterior for enhanced grip. It's comfortable to hold and fits effortlessly into your daily routine. Enjoy the benefits of fast charging with its 3A USB-C port, getting your devices back to full power in no time. Choose the optimal port for efficient charging based on your needs. Equipped with premium components and multiple safety certifications, it protects against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits. It's built for durability and safety, with over 500 recharge cycles. Your purchase includes the 12,000 mAh portable charger, a USB to Lightning charging cable, a user manual, and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This power bank offers a generous 12,000 mAh capacity in an impressively ultra-slim profile, making it comfortable to hold and easy to carry. It features dual input ports, Lightning and USB-C, and fast 3A USB-C charging. If you're looking for a sleek, high-capacity charger that's easy to handle and offers flexible recharging options, especially if you use both Apple and Android devices, this one is a great fit. What people say. This battery charger works wonderful and charges my husband's and my iPhones at lightning speed. We both like the fact that the charger is not heavy and is easy to carry with you while the phone is charging. It charged our iPhones from 10% all the way to 100% even when we were still using our phones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.